Hi, welcome to After Hours step-by-step tutorial. In today's Adobe Illustrator tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how we can quickly replace multiple different colors within a complex artwork. What this means is that we won't need to select objects individually to change their colors. So, let's get started. There are a few different ways we can change our illustration colors. In this first method, what I want to do is to change all of the colors used in this artwork to a specific color palette that I have in mind. So, let's quickly add these new colors to my swatches. Before we make any color changes, we need to first select all of the objects, which is Command+A on my keyboard for Mac. We also want to make sure that none of the objects on your artboard are locked. Simply go to Object and do a check under the Unlock All selection. Now, with all of our objects still selected, let's go over to our overhead menu again. Under Edit, navigate to Edit Colors, select Tree Color Artwork. Click on the Advanced Options button, and we will see all of the different colors that are present in our selection. Under the new column here, this is where we will be making changes to our colors. Double-click on New to replace color. This basically means that we are intending to change all of the yellow used in our artwork to the new color that we have chosen. Hit OK, and we should be able to see immediate change in preview mode. Since I've already saved my colors as swatches, I'm going to select Color Swatches instead and replace the colors from there. I'll first replace all of the colors used for the objects in gold, so then we can immediately see how the new colors are working out for the artwork. And from there, we can also make further adjustments if we need. Let's zoom in and take a closer look at where the new colors are being applied. Now, with all objects selected, I will repeat my steps to have all of the remaining green shades replaced quickly. Once that is done, we'll jump right in to look at other alternative ways to replace colors for a complex artwork. For the second method, let's go back to our Recolor artwork again and explore more features on this window. From here, we can play around with the colors and simply adjust the colors by dragging these points on our color wheel. We can also play with the intensity of the colors by dragging them on this bar here. This might get a little messy after some time, but you can always hit the reset button or go back on your steps. This method is a lot simpler than what we tried doing earlier, and it really depends on what works best for you. There is also another easy and fun way we can quickly adjust our colors, which is using the Color Theme Picker tool. What this allows you to do is that it will automatically pick out a set of colors from a ready palette or even colors generated from an image. And all it takes is just one click. This method is especially useful for trying out different color schemes. And this is how we can easily and quickly replace multiple colors for a complex artwork or even a pattern that you're working on. That's the end of our tutorial. And thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the tutorial video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to our channel for weekly tutorials. This video is brought to you by After Hours, in collaboration with Refine Define.